Hi, guys. Look, whether we like it or not, the dating game has evolved into a battlefield of emotional intelligence. Dating and relationships are not the same as they used to be. You have to stay one step ahead if you want to successfully navigate women and relationships. It's not about manipulation, it's about understanding the modern psyche because it's changed. You do this by reading in between the lines, understanding how women think, and tapping more into your own emotional intelligence. By doing this, you'll have the upper hand in navigating modern dating and relationships. Here's a scenario that's extremely common, and I put my bottom dollar on it that 99.9999999% of men watching this has been asked this question before. A woman asked you, "What's your type?" Or, "What do you look for in a woman?" It seems innocent, right? Just a question aimed at wanting to know you better. But let me tell you something. This can be a very dangerous crossroads. See, there's a serious covert danger in revealing your type and laying your expectations out on the table. The reason being, if she has ulterior motives like gold digging, manipulation, or anything devious, you have just handed her over the perfect blueprint to get you. You have given her the perfect strategy on exactly how to act to reel you in. She's going to become the picture you paint, a chameleon shifting shades to match whatever fantasy you have laid out to her. Whatever your dream woman is, she will become just that. Whatever traits you're looking for in a woman, she will possess those. This is why I've never been a fan of this question, because the wrong woman will use it to try and destroy you. So, what should a man do? How do you answer this loaded question? Here's what I always advise. You say, "Look, I'm not into types. I want a woman who's authentically herself. Don't worry about trying to fit into some preconceived notion of what I want. Just be you. If we click, we'll know it." By responding with something like this, what you've done is two very powerful things. One, you have forced her to authentically be herself because she has no blueprint on you. Number two, you have high key flexed your masculinity. You've turned the tables on her by refusing to answer her question the way that she wanted you to answer it. You took the lead and answered it the way that you wanted to answer it. You've set the stage with her question. Now you might be thinking, won't this scare her off? What if this backfires? And to that I say, good. If she runs, that means that she wasn't ready to deal with the real you. You just saved yourself a hell of a lot of wasted time. See, this is an early test to see how she feels with letting a man lead. Only women seeking to manipulate you will be intimidated and run from a man who refuses to divulge a type. A real woman, an authentic one, is not put off by this. As I said before, mystery is a man's best friend. The right woman will be intrigued. She'll be drawn in by the mystery and the unpredictability and the challenge that this answer evokes. You want a woman who wants to discover who you are, not one that's looking for a mold to fill. You want a woman who's willing to reveal her true self, not one that wants to play a character. And it might take some weeding out to find her. Actually, I guarantee it'll take some weeding out to find her. It's not easy. But remember, it's not about finding the woman who can play the part. It's about finding the woman who doesn't need to. It's about finding the woman who matches your energy, your standards, your values, your morals. You see, what makes a man irresistible is not the type of woman that he wants, it's the type of man that he is. It's about the way that he carries himself, the way he lives his life, the values, the morals, as I said before, that he lives by. So, guys, don't hand over the blueprint to your life. Keep them guessing, keep them on their toes, and trust and believe it will work. So, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.